Welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick video today. I've got a couple of hours of an afternoon and I thought I'd just come out and see if I can capture the great spotted woodpecker somewhere I know quite well, where food is left out. So bonus, managed to get fledged chicks being fed by the mother. I think might be a male fledged woodpecker, so really pleased about that. Got some really nice little bits of images and a little bit of footage of the chick being fed, so I'm just going to share that as a short, hopefully, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give it a like. Thank you.